Before you sell, trade, or give away your iPhone, you need to do this. I'll show you how to factory reset any iPhone model the right way. Now before you erase your iPhone or factory reset, make sure you back up your data as you don't want to lose your data. So you can go into iCloud and scroll down and tap on backup, iCloud backup. So you can back up to iCloud or tap on backup now, or you can back up your device to iTunes on a computer or to your Mac computer. So make sure your data is backed up. Then go into settings, and from the settings page, we scroll down and tap on general. After that, scroll down, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Now tap on erase all content in settings. Then in here, tap on either you want to continue or not now. So here, erase. Erasing will sign out of your Apple account and remove your personal data. So tap on continued, then tap on erase iPhone. Next, you want to enter the passcode for this iPhone. So enter in the passcode. Now, if you have signed into your Apple account, you need to enter the passcode to turn off Find My, like Find My Mobile and Activation Lock. So we want to turn off Activation Lock and Find My before you sell your iPhone or pass the iPhone on to the next person. And once you put in that password, the phone will go ahead and start the factory reset process. At this point, there is no turning back. Your data will be erased and lost forever. And that's it. That is how you can factory reset your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video.